Now, I would like to request Shri Mohan Agrawala, the initiator of this festival, to kindly deliver his address.
I offer my heartfelt and reverential prostrations to Lord Ganesh, Goddess Saraswati, and my spiritual preceptors, His Holiness Sri Swami Sivananda Saraswati and His Holiness Sri Swami Chidananda Saraswati. I also offer my heartfelt and reverential humble prostrations to His Holiness Sri Swami Shivachidananda Saraswati, former Secretary, Sivananda Centenary Boys School, Bhubaneswar, Professor Madhusudan Pati, former Head of the Department of English, Sambalpur University, Sambalpur, Professor Diptimoy Das, Department of Physics, Bhadrak Autonomous College, Bhadrak, Shri Sarat Chandra Dikshit, Founder Director, IDM Public School, Balangir, Shri Shashi Bhushan Purohit, President, the Divine Life Society, Balangir Branch, Odisha, and Shri Raghunath Babu, Secretary of the said Divine Life Society, Balangir Branch. My greetings and good wishes and loving pranams to all our student friends. My humble prostrations to all our revered teachers. We will discuss regarding great need for celebration of this special Sivananda Literature Festival for students and teachers. Our ancient spiritual scriptures and our rishis, munis, saints and sages, including Swami Vivekananda, Swami Sivananda, Mahatma Gandhi, say that life building, character building and man-making education is the real education. Both life building, character building and man-making education, the real education, and secular education, the ordinary education on various subjects, constitute the right education. Right education guides our students to make themselves as ideal students in order to become ideal human beings, both as good human beings and as capable human beings. In ancient India, life building, character building and man-making education was also imparted to the students in the educational centers known as Gurukulas and Rishikulas. But such education is either not at all imparted or not completely imparted to the students in the modern schools, colleges and universities of our country. As a result, our modern students are deprived of the same and are not able to know the right goals and the right path of their precious human life. Consequently, they are proceeding in darkness and are unable to build their life completely, properly, strongly and nicely, and are unable to live their long precious future life ideally and successfully. That is, both economically and materially prosperously as well as spiritually, happily and peacefully. In this manner, they are suffering from irreparable damages and incurring permanent losses in their lives. In these circumstances, they need life building, character building and man-making education, the real education also most intensely, urgently and immediately. This is the burning need of the hour of our modern students. Further, in the present scenario, our teachers, the makers of the students, need to be provided with right orientation on teaching profession so that our teachers can impart teachings to their students with right understanding and with more efficiency and more effectiveness. Thereby, their students are made rightly and they derive great benefits in their lives. By performing their teaching duties with right understanding and with more efficiency and more effectiveness, our teachers themselves can also derive immense benefits in their personal lives. Therefore, our teachers need to be provided with right orientation on teaching profession. They need the same most intensely, urgently, and immediately. This is the burning need of the hour of our modern teachers. In this connection, the world-renowned Sivananda literature, which contains right and comprehensive teachings on almost all topics of life building, character building, and man-making education, can most eminently meet the requirements of our modern students. Therefore, and in the aforesaid greatly needy situation, this special Sivananda Literature Festival for students and teachers has been conceived and designed and is being celebrated here today by the Divine Life Society Balangir branch, Odisha, for immense benefits of our students and our teachers. During this festival, valuable books from Sivananda literature on life building, character building, and man-making education for our students, and on right orientation on teaching profession for our teachers will be exhibited in order to bring the same to their knowledge for their great benefits. Our students and our teachers can see those books and take note of the same in this festival. Subsequently, our students can study those books, acquire necessary knowledge on life building, character building, and man-making education, practice this shared knowledge gained from the same in their daily lives, and build their lives completely, properly, strongly, and nicely. Our teachers can also go through those books, get right orientation on teaching profession, and utilize the knowledge gained from the same in course of their teaching profession for their great personal benefits. In this manner, our students and our teachers can derive immense benefits for themselves from this special Sivananda Literature Festival. Therefore, I most humbly, earnestly, and fervently request our students and our teachers to kindly take full benefits from this festival. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for this wonderful message and encouraging each and everyone, especially our teachers and students, to go through the books and understand the importance of these holy books. Now it's tea time. We will take a break of 10 minutes. I request everyone to go for the tea break. Thank you.